So it's feeding time. It's feeding time for Culebra. Uh-oh. 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 She striked. I just... Nobody really gets to see this, This is nature. That's what happens. In the wilderness, in my house, snake gotta eat. Can't really see that. Oh, you can see his mouth right there and his nose. His tail's a little twiggly. What it was. You guys seen how the snake wasting no time? As soon as the little mouse got caught, we can't pray. The video's been going on for about a minute, a little more than a minute, so we ain't gonna drop him. When is he, in your eyes, certified dead? Because mine is like dead already, but Snake don't think so. That's it right there. That's his nose. Damn, the snake holds him for a cool little while, man. I didn't realize it was actually minutes. Thought it was just like a couple of seconds or something. Or max 1 minute, but nah. Culebra's moving. And she's starting to eat the mouse. Up, straight for the head. Fucking me.